Hello, to this video I'm gonna make a tasty lentil rice recipe. Let's get started with our ingredients. 4 medium size of white onion powder, salt, and cooking oil. Now let's get started. Here I already prepared the boiling water. And now let's put our washed lentil seed. Put teaspoon of salt. When it's boiled, remove the foam. And now let's cover it and wait until the lentil seed becomes soft. And for the meantime, let's slice our onion. Now let's check the lentils. If it's become soft now. Now there's a slight opening, so it means it becomes soft. Now let's put aside. And on another pan, let's fry our onion. Oil. Now let's fry our sliced onion. Fry until it turns to brown. After 5 minutes soaking, let's wash and drain the basmati rice. When it's turned to brown, remove some. Put in a plate with a drying paper. Dry some oil. Keep it for later. Now let's put and now add our lentil seeds. Add half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of onion powder. And add 2 cups of broth lentils. Shake it. Once boiling, cover it and adjust the heat into low heat. And wait until cooked. And now let's check our lentil rice. It's done. Our lentil rice is ready to serve. Our lentil rice is ready to serve. Smells so good. let's put our fried onion as a toppings.